Okay, this is timing checks and magneto checks for an M22 1939. So on these exhaust and inlet cams, we've got a dash and a dot, which line up with which are on here as well. And we've got a idler and the magneto. So this, rather than take the magneto off and set it using the magneto tool, I've also got the option of just pulling this idler out, which I'll do. So I can set my before top dead center here, and then find the perfect just open point for the points, and then slide the idler pulley back in. So on the other side of the bike, I've got set up my gauge. So I'll find top dead center, and then I'll come back as the book recommends, which I'll just quickly show you. So in particular, here, 1939, I'm a M22 standard, so before top dead center, we're coming back 9.5 mil or 3/8 of an inch, either or. And don't get me wrong, set of feeler gauges here as well, so I can do the magneto with feeler gauges. So here I can do the manual check or the manual verification using feeler gauges, 0.002 inches, which is 0.5 mil. And also I do happen to have this points electronic box from the Magneto guys, so I'm going to give that a crack and just see how I go with that. But yeah, here we go. So first step is to fully advance the timing on the magneto, so that'll push forward our magneto here. I'll just quickly, you probably can't see it, but anyway, that's done. So then rotate. I'm going to rotate the wheel to get top dead center, so I'm pretty close to it at the moment, but I'm coming around a bit more. That's top dead center there, so it's actually just over 95 reading on that, so I need to come back 9.5, which is pretty close to 0. Oh, there we go. That's, so I'm just coming back to about, I'll double check this, but come back to about there. That's my top dead before top dead center, 9.5. Jump on the other side. I'll just show you where the dots and dashes are in relation to that. So these two here, so it's just before top dead center. Going to jump over the other side again, turn my magneto thing on, which is on 0. It's off at the moment, so it's actually closed in this position. So move my magneto around until we just turn it on. So somewhere about there is pretty close. So that's the point at which the points are just opening. In other words, I'm hopeful that that'll also be the 0.002 inches on the feeler gauges. Back over the other side. And now it's just a case of putting my idler on, and fast forward this, but With minimal movement, I should be able to get that back on. And if I'm struggling with that, you know, like I said before, if I can't align it, then the option is I always can take this off, leave this one on, take this one off, and tap it down on the spline to get that precise alignment. But I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to stick with this for the time being. See how I go. Okay. Wish me luck.